Are you tired of clicking everywhere in Jira just to rename an epic? I get it. You click the title, you click the drop-down, you click somewhere random in the sidebar, and nothing happens. It can be so frustrating. So here is the exact 6-click method to change it instantly. No guessing, no digging through menus, just a clean, repeatable process that takes seconds. So here is the plan. I am going to walk you through opening your project, finding the epic, and editing its name in the right panel. We are going to go step by step, so you can do this on your own without any confusion. Let us jump right into it. Start by logging into your Jira account. Go ahead and sign in like you normally would. This might take a moment to load everything up on your dashboard. And if you are already logged in, perfect. You are already ahead of the game. Now, navigate to your project using the left sidebar. Look over on the left-hand side of your screen. You will see a list of your projects. Click on the one that has the epic you want to rename. In my experience, this is where a lot of people get distracted because they click on something else in the interface, but just stick with that left panel. One click and you are exactly where you need to be. Once you are inside your project, click on List at the top of the screen. This is a really important step. You want the list view because it shows you all of your issues in a straightforward, organized way. Some people try to rename an epic from the board view, and that is where things start to get messy. The list view keeps it simple. Go ahead and click that now. Find the epic you want to rename and click on it. Scroll through your list until you spot the right one. When you click it, you will see the issue details open up on the right-hand side of your screen. That is your workspace. Everything you need to edit this epic is right there in that panel. So take your time. Make sure you have got the correct one selected. Now, in the right panel, click on the current epic name. It is right at the top of that panel. This is the part that trips people up. A lot of users try to click the title in the main list view, but that does not work. You need to click the name inside the detail panel on the right. So go ahead and click it. You will see the field become editable, ready for you to type. Type the new epic name and then press enter. That is the final step. Just hit enter on your keyboard and the change is saved instantly. No need to hunt through a save button or confirm anything. It is that simple. Rename an epic in seconds. So now you know exactly how to do this. No more clicking around aimlessly. Just 6 simple steps and you are done. Open your account, open your project, switch to list view, select the epic, click the name in the right panel, type, and press enter. I have tested this process myself, and it works every single time. Give it a try on your own project and see how much faster it feels. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.